What is DCM-PTD? Designer Competency Metrics for Prevention Through Design is an index framework that enables designers or organizations to conduct self-assessment of PTD competence for continuous improvement in PTD practices. Devastating accidents and fatalities in construction projects have elevated in providing early attention to safety and health hazards in the design phase. Calls for changes in safety practices through the Prevention Through Design (PTD) concept has become increasingly vocal in various countries. PTD legislation and guideline have been implemented in many countries. For example, in the USA, Prevention Through Design (PTD) guideline has been implemented 2007. 2011 in Australia with WHS Act. In Europe, a few countries already implemented, such as in Spain, Ireland and in the UK. Also in Asia Pacific, New Zealand with HSWA Act 2015, in Hong Kong and in Singapore, Design for Safety, DFS, is effective from August 1, 2016. In Malaysia, the Guidelines of Occupational Safety and Health in Construction Industry, Management, OSHIM, which stems from the PTD concept, was launched in early 2017, as an initiative to provide guidance for designers to enhance their capability to mitigate health and safety risks through design. A few studies have focused on developing a systematic framework for profiling the PTD competency of designers for continuous improvement in PTD practices. In response to this need, a DCM-PTD practice was developed in this research, and these are the research objectives to be achieved. In order to achieve the objectives, this research actively engage a wide range of construction designers, such as architect, engineer, quantity surveyor, safety and health, through the quantitative and qualitative research approach with total of 6 phases as follows. The first and third phase is the desk study process, and 18 attributes under 3 categories have been identified. This is a detail of the methodological framework process to conduct the research. The fourth phase involves 2 stages. First stage is to achieve Objective 1 by quantitative and qualitative methods. Second stage is for Objective 2 by a qualitative method. A total of 59 experts participated to achieve 2 objectives. Objective 1 identified the designer's PTD competency attributes for 3 categories. First is knowledge with 6 attributes. Second is skills with 5 attributes. Third is experience with 7 attributes. While Objective 2 identified the taxonomy competence maturity levels for each attribute as follows. The taxonomy descriptions are based on 5 levels: Level 1, Fundamental Awareness, 2, Novice, 3, Intermediate, 4, Advanced, and Level 5 is Expert. The final research process is to develop a DCM-PTD practice. In order to achieve Objective 3, 2 phases involved, which is Phase 5 is consolidation, and Phase 6 is for validation and demonstration. An Excel-based platform was developed for the administration mechanism for the DCM-PTD. The first function that will appear is the main page of the DCM-PTD assessment model. And next function presents the assessment questionnaire to assess the competence level. After that, a graphical presentation of the assessment results will be demonstrated. Last but not least, a summary output of the overall designer PTD competence level will be generated. There are 5 recommendations for future research improvements on this study. 3 deliverables have been successfully achieved, which are: the first publication is in the journal Engineering, Construction, and Architect Management. The second publication is in the journal Architectural Engineering and Design Management. And also the poster DCM-PTD. Sharing session on DCM-PTD was conducted on 25th of May 2021 with several key stakeholders.
Finally, the research study is completed and it will be a good practice in the construction industry.